welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be playing another game. I don't really know what to call these, like story thing, but in Minecraft again.
With me.
With her, yas. So
Yas.
we're in, I am in third person front because I wanted you to see our new skins that we got. Well, my new skin and her old skin.
Yes.
That I've never seen before. So, these are skins, and this game is like taking place in the summer. So, needed some cute skins. Anyway, let's go see the view real quick. Look at that view.
Wait, look at me real quick.
Okay.
You're not looking at me.
I'm in third person front. I'm looking at you.
I'm the best view. There's the vine. It's like, you're my best view.
Lol.
It's like, this is a nice view. You're my best view.
Okay. Let me change my thing back to first person. Okay. So, before she joined, it said that I said it's getting late. I should head back to bed. So, let's go to bed. Let's go to sleep. Why is there a red bed? I don't know.
We got a problem here because this game is recommended for one player.
Shh. We're breaking the systems. No, I don't want to sleep in the red bed. No.
Not red, it's pink.
There's a red one in the middle.
Yeah.
It just spawned. Look, it'll go away. Why? Look, it goes. Oh, maybe it doesn't get away. Wait, what? Do I have to sleep?
There's a button on the side.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
Wait, did that just turn it tonight? Oh, that just turns it tonight. How do we turn it today, though?
Did it turn out tonight?
It turned it tonight.
Oh, maybe go back.
Whoa.
Oh, wait, I think I might have to sleep in the red bed.
Oh, great. Uh-oh.
What?
Come downstairs real quick.
Yes?
There's a not loaded in person who's just they're all legs, literally.
No!
Okay, I'm gonna read it.
Mm-hmm.
Good morning, did you sleep well?
It's not morning, Auntie.
Decided to come and visit me for a week this summer. I don't really have anything planned for you to do, so just look around and meet new people. Oh, I almost forgot. On Sunday evening, I'm having a little bonfire party on the beach. Hint to the title of the world. In fact, why don't you go and invite everyone you can to the party? I'm not announced it yet, and it would be the perfect way for you to get to know everybody here.
Okay.
Convince as many residents as you can to join them on the beach bonfire party on Sunday evening. Calendar. It's 8 a.m. on Tuesday. Good morning.
Yeah, I turned it today, so. Okay, let's go out and meet some people.
Oh yeah, meet people.
Peppa, what are you doing here? Maybe we have to.
It'd be funny if they were all just legs. Oh, we got the orange.
She is legs.
It's a little girl. I hope. What's up when those boys wearing like one of those weird?
She's a little baby.
Oh wait, Alfie, something like that. Yes. What do you want? You need to go to your son. Wait. Where is it? Okay. You want to go to some party on Sunday? My time is money, and I don't see how this benefits. Tell you what. If you can bring me 10 cent dollars, which General Stores pays me a tidy sum for, from the beach, I'll come to your party as payment.
Is that bribery? Because
How about we just go to the thing and get some money, and we pay you half?
Yeah.
That way we can make some cash out of it, too. Secretly, I'm a parkour master. Quite the opposite, though, but, you know.
Oh my gosh, there's another dude with just legs.
He's all legs.
I was coming up here to look to see if there was any sand dollars nearby.
Carl, welcome to the island. I'm here to make sure people stay safe in the water. Don't swim out of the shallows. Oh, yes, I heard about Anne. I thought this was a secret.
Yeah.
Anne's party and have already agreed to go. I'll mostly sat out here. I'll mostly be sad out here because I have to watch the beach. I'll be popping over for cake now and again. I'm sure. Discovered one $10. I thought it said...
Wait, you didn't discover a $100. I did.
I thought it said pooping for a second.
Okay,
That's $10? I found a $10.
I found a $100 too.
Oh, there, you just
we
destroyed it.
combined. Wait, how many did she want? She wanted 10. So we only need to get 5.
I got...
I have 2. It gives us both of it, so we both just need 5. So we need to find 2 more. What if they're in the water?
There's probably a few in the water. Oh, I found another one.
Gosh. Okay, well, we need 1 more.
This is kind of hard to pick them up. There we go. Do you just step on them or do you destroy them?
I think you have to step on them.
Yeah. I don't think they're going to be too deep in the water if they are in the water. Because you have to step on them.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's that blue room?
Well,
Changing room. Is there anyone in here?
Oh, Brock!
What?
Don't go in the changing room and
There's
look
no
for
one in
people.
here.
Good.
Oh, it's talking. You feel yourself changing. Maybe smooth jazz isn't quite what you thought it was. That makes no sense.
I hope it doesn't mean what I think it's meaning.
I
found the last one!
Where? Okay, give me your $10.
No, you give me I found the majority.
Yeah,
I'm the
you're
majority.
right. Where did the little girl go?
She's,
Oh, she's over here.
Yeah.
Hey, girl, you want these? A shell? Thanks, but you still have 9 to go. Oh, we need to...
Oh, did we each need 10? Oh, never mind. Oh, you used mine, too.
Oh, I did? That's weird. So
Okay.
we just need to find 5 more?
No! It's done.
Yeah. No.
$10. Oh, 5 to go.
Yeah.
Maybe that's why. Maybe because it took mine for... I don't know. Because
That's weird.
I found a lot. I don't think there's any more. Like, we covered the whole beach. I went to end to end.
Oof.
Maybe she'll just show up. Let's just hope she'll show up. If you know what I mean. I'm implying that I'm pretty sure that's smooth jazz and smooth, that's like the romance song that she played with something romantic. So I was wondering if that's what it meant. Let's bust into people's houses.
Get some $100, please.
It's just be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tap. Oh, I said 1, 2, 3,
Yo,
4, 5.
are you in creative?
No one seems to be the...
Wait, come here. Are you in creative? Okay, get some...
Oh, I see another person.
Wait, don't go in there yet. Get the $100. You're in creative. Get $100. I am not in creative. And bring it back to the little girl.
The one to cheat? I'm not cheating.
Fine, then come back over
We'll just
here.
hope he shows up.
Yeah. Okay, wait.
You talk for her.
Hello and welcome to the island. You must be staying with Anne this week. I used to be in the...
We have an Auntie Anne.
Yes. I get it.
Oh, there's $10 here. Maybe we can buy
I
it.
used to be in the army, but now I've retired for the quiet life running the store here. That's why people call me General Kate, and this is the general store. Wait, yeah, I think we can get it. We just need to go in survival. Where are the $100? Oops.
They're on the back wall.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to put you to creative. What?
They're on the back wall.
Carl? Oh, wait, this is where that little girl lives. Nobody's here.
Anybody.
Nobody's here today.
I think nobody's home these days. These flowers are lovely, though.
I know I am. It's okay.
I wasn't talking about you.
Wow.
Question.
Yeah.
Oh, I found someone. Wait, this might be our house. Do we have a blue house? I thought we lived in the one.
Yeah, we have a blue house.
When you were a baby, did you talk a lot?
I have no idea.
Well, did you? Just say yes.
Yeah, sure.
You were a babbling brook.
Oh my gosh. Stop that.
I came up with that joke a long time.
Okay. Speak for her now.
Oh, what did you say?
I found the sand dollars.
I'll make an appearance on Sunday. Then, as promised, maybe I can sell the people their shell necklaces. You know what might have happened? Is since it's meant for one player, that's probably what happened.
Oh, yeah.
The keeper of the lighthouse lives in here.
Okay, so let's go to the lighthouse, I guess. Because if he lives there, and then and he lives in the lighthouse now. I don't want to walk.
I came up with that joke a long time ago. I just haven't asked you because I kept forgetting.
Lol.
I'm so funny.
Yes.
That's why I'm her coolest friend, clearly.
Yas. Obviously.
I'm actually kind of like your only, like, friend. Like, who's in your age group left.
Yeah. Hey, Larry.
Got older people.
You want to speak for him or shall I?
On calm days like today, I don't need to like the lighthouse, but there's a lot to do. Things always need mending or cleaning. Once I finish my chores, I like to sit out on the cliff edge by myself and watch the ocean. And it's having a party on the beach, huh? Thanks for the invitation. I'm not interested. I think he just has a crush on the ant, and he just did it.
He does.
What was I gonna say?
Come up here, look!
Have you ever heard of the popular MMOs, Pat and Jen?
Mate, hi.
It's sad that they're,
Up here, look. There's something actually really cool up there.
well, anyway, maybe eventually we can be, like, as cool as them.
Yeah, maybe.
There's nothing up here.
I know.
Oh, wait, the grass texture looks cool.
I wanted to trick you! Haha! Freedom!
I mean, maybe one day we can become as popular as those people because they do a lot of different things and they're really famous.
Maybe, yeah. I hope we can.
I had a cat named Cloud.
I have a cat named Marie.
I would recommend go checking out Pat and Jen. I know they're much more famous than us, so we're not doing them any favors, but I wonder if I'm, like, too quiet on the videos because I'm kind of far away from the microphone.
No, you're, for me, I have you, like, right here. Like, right on my microphone. Jocelyn, come to the teal house.
I see your name tag.
Okay, yeah, there's
Oh, there's a little boy on the balcony.
Where?
Oh, and he's not just legs. I think that's the little girl's boyfriend.
Oh, it's Charlie.
Oh.
Hi, I'm Charlie. You're new here, huh? I've actually... Excuse me. I've actually already heard
I
about
was right. He does have a crush on the little girl. I didn't say it out loud.
He does. But I'll only be going if, however you say her name.
Elfie.
Alfie, like the coolest, cutest, onlyest girl on the island, goes too. Can you give her this letter I've written? Like, thanks. Okay. Do you want to give her the letter?
Yeah. I'm kind of hurt because he said only girl on the beach.
That's her. There's like multiple other girls here.
And we're 10 times better looking than her.
Exactly. She's just legs, and we are
She's all legs.
She's all legs.
They tried to put her on the cover of Vogue, but her legs were just too long. Have you heard that before?
Yeah.
Every day is leg day. I don't want to get copyrighted.
Did you give her the letter? Gotta hold it in your hand.
You got the letter.
Oh, here. Take the letter.
I thought you were going to give it to me. You know what you should do?
What?
You should take my singing earlier and then just put, like, non-copyrighted music over. Is this a love letter? What is wrong with you? Oh, it's from Charlie. The kid's gone and got himself smitten. Well, you tell him this woman works solo, capiche? Sand dollars are shelves that wash up on the beach
Okay,
pretty
so
much
should
every
we
day.
Tell her? Tell him? But technically, she said she'll already go because we gave her sand dollars.
Do you like my voice change for like, oh?
Oh, it's Charlie.
Turns out she's actually a 52-year-old woman. Who's just short.
Comedy gold. Hello.
Okay.
Did the letter? Tell me how much did she love it? Oh, she isn't interested? Well, maybe she just doesn't like letters. But you're saying, I forget how to say her name again. Alfie.
Oh, Alfie.
Alfie, yeah, it's okay, I did it. Alfie is going to the party, then I'm gonna go and meet her in person and try and convince her otherwise. Bye! See you on Sunday. So
you know, if things don't work out between you and her, you know, Brooke's always available.
No, you're available. I'm dating a cat right now, so.
Pee pee poo poo?
No, I'm dating that lighthouse man. No, I'm not.
I thought he was dating Auntie Anne's.
Yeah, he is. I am a single Pringle. I am dating Pringles. Okay, I think we're done. It appears that we're done because we talked to Carl.
Maybe if we start a new day, people like move around.
Yeah.
Did you check out the orange house? Because I didn't.
How did I sleep? Don't worry. Why are we asking how she...
Don't worry about me. The sofa makes a perfectly comfortable bed. Make the most of beauty sleep.
Why did we ask her how she slept? Look at the bed! See it? The hell, it disappeared!
Wait.
I'll be back. I must use the bathroom.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
What?
Look how pretty that picture is.
Good night.
Make the most of the beautiful weather. There's supposed to be a storm tomorrow.
Look, the bed disappeared. Shut these doors. It's gonna
funny.
storm. Good night. Go to bed.
Okay.
Is it still nighttime?
I wonder how long we've been filming now, because we might have to do 2 parts if this gets too long.
Yeah. Well, we
I
still
don't want
have,
to do 2 parts.
we
That's
still have till Sunday.
Wednesday. Sunday.
Oh my goodness, it actually is raining.
Wednesday.
Hey, Auntie, do you speak? Close this.
Saturday.
Oh, they do change, I think.
Okay. Oh my, the weather out there is just frightful. Be careful if you're planning to go outside. Most of us will be waiting indoors today, waiting out. Most of us will be indoors today, waiting out the storm. Larry, who works in after the lighthouse, will have his work cut out for him today. I hope he's all right and up there all alone.
Hint, hint. Wait, put your raincoat on.
You got a raincoat?
No. Okay, so who do we got to go see now? Larry, I guess?
Alfie. Let's go find Alfie.
She might be
And then
in
we'll
her
talk
house.
We'll talk to Alfie, then we'll talk to Charlie, and then we'll talk to the shop owner.
No, we gotta talk to her first because she's closest. Why do they got a pink house?
I would love this house.
It's actually not bad.
Wait, who's Carl? Is that her current boyfriend? I like this photo too.
Carl's her dad, I think.
Well, no, duh. This weather is too bad for any serious profit to be made. Today I'm planning on staying inside to assess and
Where is it?
Let me think of the word in my head.
Okay, I'll be looking for people.
Re-strategize my business plan, and I'm going to tidy my room. Mom has no.
We're obsessed with Disney.
I think the same song just popped into both of our heads.
It did. You're right.
At the word Disney.
Hey, talk.
The weather is terrible today. You're best off staying inside where it's dry. I hope Larry's doing alright, keeping the lamp at the light. Oh, we're probably going to have to help him with that.
Yeah. Why are they all obsessed with Larry?
I just want to say something. Is he having 2 women?
I don't know. Drama.
your llama. But nobody has a llama, so no drama.
Yeah. Now we gotta talk to Charlie for a bit.
I don't think her name's actually Alfie. That's just how I pronounce the character's name, who also starts with an A-O.
Oh, well, who knows, honestly. Looks like someone's home. Of course there's someone home. Charlie! Oh, good. You're not on there.
Isn't it funny how I talk for majority of these characters?
Yeah. I'll see you on Sunday. Wish me luck. I never actually spoken to Alfie before this. She is as intimidating as she's pretty, but I'm filled with determination.
I thought you were gonna have me say Alfie, and again I was gonna be like, Alfie.
Okay, so I guess we must see Larry.
You're going the wrong. Oh wait, no. Are you going the wrong? You're going. Oh, you're just going on the porch.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure there's a path. But you know, I'm too lazy. We're good at parkour. Yeah, there is a path. Hello, sir. Can we help today? Where are you? Are you upstairs? Oh, he's all the way up here. I bet. Because he's not down there.
I went in his bedroom on accident.
Well,
wait, where? Oh, there's steps. Okay.
You wait down there. No, I'm kidding.
Do you speak for Larry or do I?
I think you do. Remember that weird voice?
Oh, yeah. Go! This is a terrible storm. The lantern is going to run out of oil any minute, but I can't leave it alone. Please go down to General Store and ask General Kate to bring some lantern oil.
We came here for nothing!
Bring it back to her. Okay, you stay here.
Yeah,
I'll go get her.
I'll be waiting down here for you. Okay. Or I refuse to cut the video. I refuse.
This might be
no,
like the one
I deleted a page!
I have a question. Do you have to get to like a certain amount of subscribers to do a live stream?
No, when you have like a PlayStation or a streaming software, like a laptop with a streaming software, then you can live stream. But for mobile, you can't. You can Premiere, you just can't live stream. Which is sad, but sooner or later I'm gonna be live streaming some Minecraft vids if I get a PlayStation.
I just wasn't too sure because
yeah.
What was it? TikTok.
Yeah,
You have to get to like 1,000 or 10,000 to go live.
Yeah.
Which stinks because some people, like there's one person I know, I don't remember what the account is called, but they sing like bedtime songs.
Mhm.
And I think they tell bedtime stories sometimes. And I think that's just really sweet.
That is sweet. If only you could fly.
Kate!
What?
Okay, I got it.
Okay, come back.
Goodness me! The weather is terrible out there. What? Larry needs more lamp oil? Here, I keep some on hand for when he comes in. Don't worry about payment right now. Just get it to him as fast as you can. The weather is terrible today. You're doing your best off staying inside. We're hopefully. Oh, that's why we read it earlier. Okay. Gotta go fast. Oh,
you
what happened?
have to go. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, sister. Okay. Thank goodness. It's enough. Okay. So, do we go to bed again?
Oh wait, you didn't. Oh, I gotta finish reading. Oh, thank goodness! This is enough to keep the oil lighthouse glowing like a lighthouse all night. You've done me a huge favor, and I have likely saved several sailors' lives. Perhaps I do spend too long out here by myself. I'll let them to Anne's bonfire party on Sunday. There's only
some creepy guy in the water.
I think we got everyone to come to our party.
Come to the beach. No. There's some creepy guy in the water. Come to the beach.
Oh, we need to get the lifeguard.
No, he's not yet. Yeah, we do.
Oh, he is coming. He is coming.
Let's just talk to him or something.
Excuse me?
Yeah, my exact thoughts.
Hello. John. Wait, this is Jonathan. Is this the lifeguard?
No, this is a random dude.
The storm gets a lot of electricity in the air. So it's the best time to go out and recharge your batteries, which is just what I'm doing. Everyone else must be in though for some reason. Well, except you and I. You and I, and Brooke. We must be the only sane ones on this island.
That laugh, that was nice.
I'm a master at laughing.
Okay, well, I guess we gotta go back and go to sleep, I guess. Because we talked to everybody, right?
No, it's Wednesday, so that means we have Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
And then Sunday.
Sunday we beat the game. Hey, Aunt.
So it's Thursday. It's currently Wednesday, right? Or Sunday? Yes, Wednesday. So tomorrow's gonna be Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday. So if we want to do like one last day and then cut the video,
maybe
we can get like halfway.
Yeah.
Make people wait.
Yaza!
You should not post it till like after a week. So any people actually watching your content.
For real. Thursday. Good morning. Good morning! Is it
Guys, you should totally... Are you gonna block the comment section on this video?
No. Okay,
you should totally vote down in the comments who's your favorite person to guest star on Brooke's channel.
Yes.
This village is quite messy after yesterday's storm, but at least there doesn't seem to be any long-term damage even, so John will have a lot of work to do cleaning up all the seaweed.
There's seaweed everywhere.
He's the town's old job man or something like that.
Okay, who should we go see first? I'm not going to the lighthouse again. Okay,
I'd say we split up. You go to Alfie. I'll go to Alfie.
Around. Do you see what I see?
Do you? What is those black blocks on the? Oh, it's that man.
Mm-hmm. Hi, John. Old John.
Wow, you remembered his name.
What? It's Odd John.
See the seaweed. Seaweed. Get it? Anyway, it all needs clearing up. You can get help if you like. Come talk to me when the boardwalk is clear.
When did we ever say we wanted to do this?
Wow, breaking the fourth wall, dude.
Can we just walk on it?
He said plot progression. Oh yeah, progression.
You go on that side and I'll clean on this
side.
So
he is just here for the plot, pretty much. He's like our comedy relief.
Yeah.
Okay, you hit up Charlie. I'll hit up Alfie, and then we can like make him talk.
Wait. You clean that side of the bridge, and I'll clean this side.
I'm getting a lot here. How many pieces do you got?
22.
I got 33.
Dang. I have 34 now.
Okay, I'm at Alfie's house.
Wait.
There's a good chance she might be on the beach, though, collecting a profit.
Yeah. Okay, I got 46. I'm about to have more, actually. Oh, Alfie's right here.
Oh! Then
you couldn't see her legs.
You go. You're supposed to go to Charlie, though. So.
Oh, yeah, I know. I'm just cleaning.
Where's Alfie?
She's back where she normally is.
Ah.
Yeah.
A little bottom to her bikini. That reminded me of something horrible. Oh, yes. I'll see you Sunday.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay, could you go see Charlie while I clean this?
Okay.
I'll see Kate while you're doing
Today, I was looking at pretty images so I could use them on an app, and I saw something I did not want to see.
Well.
It was two young little girls, I'm pretty sure, and one of them they were like young, but one of them had like a bikini top on, and then the other one didn't.
Oh, okay.
They didn't have anything.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a little uncomfortable. Oh, Charlie's at his house today. Is he on the porch? Yeah. He's probably staring at his girlfriend. Actually, over here.
I'll see you on Sunday. Wish me luck. I never actually we already did this before.
Okay, yeah.
Take.
Hey, little kid.
Oh, I found a $100.
There's nobody in the bathroom. There's nobody in the master bedroom.
Can you go to the lighthouse by any chance or no?
Yeah, I can go to the lighthouse.
The weather is lovely. Green flag. Okay. I'm gonna go drown real quick.
Who's Carl? Lifeguard?
The lifeguard, yeah.
Yep.
I'm gonna go drown real quick.
Okay. Food?
What?
Is it like you need food or something? Or
No,
just
he
drown?
said don't go out in the deeper end, so I'm going out in the deep end.
Do it.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it my way.
Am I the only person that takes a nap every day?
No, I do.
You swam out too far in the open ocean, so oh my goodness.
He teleported me.
Open ocean, so I brought you back.
How did you swim that far in less than a minute?
Oh, that was Carl talking. Mm-hmm. I thought that was the dude, the lifeguard. Larry. Oh, calm days like today. I don't need to light the lamp, but then all to do watch the ocean.
Feel yourself changing. You really wish you had a swimming costume. That tells what. Okay, I'm gonna change.
That room something.
I'm gonna change into my swimsuit. No, I'm kidding. So is this the end of the day?
It probably is.
Because we have no one else to talk to.
We haven't gotten anybody else to come. I think that's everybody. Wait,
Kate's not coming.
Yeah, general store girl. I want to see if Alfie's dad is.
I think it's Carl.
No, I don't think. I think his name was like Steve.
Yeah. Girl, why won't? Oh my.
Probably
God.
like last minute invitation.
Why? We're not gonna be able to get Kate to.
Oh, it was Carl. It's the creepy dude.
No, that's not the creepy dude. That's the lifeguard.
Oh, that's the lifeguard.
Where does Odd John live? Oh, he lives here. His house is kind of odd.
He's in the kitchen. You get to speak for Odd John. How lucky.
There's nothing here. How is he odd?
Maybe he's just like not in his house.
Okay. Good night.
Is he on the beach or?
Oh, he already left. Because remember we cleaned up for him. I forgot what I was gonna say. Okay. Bam. Good night. Why can't I? Okay.
I got the middle one.
Okay. Let me time day. Okay. Friday. Good morning. It's raining again.
My mouth just made a really weird noise. I'm stuck inside because of the rain, which makes me sad but the thought of my beach bonfire in just 2 days keeps my spirits wondering. I wonder who will show up. Watch, it's gonna rain that day.
Yeah, who is gonna show up? Yo, why are you outside in the rain? Okay.
I guess I see you Sunday.
Okay, is Odd John home? I wonder.
I'm gonna go hit up general store.
No, he's not home. General store, okay. Hey, Kate.
General store! I've been quite busy. Come on.
Why aren't you coming to the party?
Okay, now we need to go find Odd John, your boyfriend.
He's not my boyfriend. He's too odd for me.
Really?
Charlie's my boyfriend. No, I'm kidding.
Oh,
There he is. He's just standing in the rain.
I want to talk to him. If it makes you feel any better, I kissed your boyfriend.
Okay. Let me talk to Carl.
I'm combining the beach house today. Someone has to make sure it looks nice and flat. The waves make their own patterns too, which makes me feel like a creature from the sea.
Okay, do we have to go to the lighthouse again? I don't want to walk.
I'll go. Last time he was at the bottom.
Really?
Yeah, there's a pathway on the side. It's much easier.
Kate is Charlie's mom?
Kate is Charlie's mom?
Yeah.
Wow, I guess everyone here has.
I know. Okay, let me talk to Charlie real quick. Why are you guys outside? Well, these kids are outside. You could get electrocuted. We're only outside because we can be outside.
Because we're grown up.
Yeah, we're grown up, child.
Totally grown up.
Yep, 100%.
We're totally like 82. Oh, we have to climb it.
I'm assuming we have to go get the fuel from the shop again.
You go get it.
I'm already here, so talk to him when you're up there.
Well, I think the fuel is just a way to get him to come.
Yeah.
I don't know much. He's in his raincoat. Or has he been in his
He's
raincoat?
always
I don't know.
in a raincoat.
Whenever there's low visibility, I come up here and make sure the lighthouse is shining like a beacon so that the sailors can tell where the cliff is. Otherwise, they might accidentally sail right into it. The sea is beautiful, but she can be quite dangerous when she's angry. I came up here for no reason.
Yeah. Okay. Good night. Oh goodness, these days are like flying
I
by.
got an idea.
Kate's not coming.
I feel like we should cut the video and then like them have to wait for like the last. Yes.
We should. Okay, guys, this is the end of the video. We're gonna make you suffer.
We're so evil.
EVL germ. Okay, let's get this beautiful view again for an outro.
Okay, am I gonna do the outro today again?
Yes, we're going to do the outro again. Okay.
Goodbye, guys. Or should I say hello for now? But this is the end of the video. Join us next time for the last 2 days. Yes, cliffhangers. Don't you love them?
Yes.
Bye.
Bye. Stay tuned to part 2, please. Like coming out next week. Yes. Anyway, bye.